Is this daily habit destroying your spine? In today's fast-paced, modern world, most people unknowingly engage in habits that silently wreak havoc on their health. Among the most common and often overlooked is the simple act of sitting. Whether you're working at a desk, binge-watching your favorite series, scrolling on your phone, or commuting, you're likely spending hours every day in a seated position. But what if this everyday routine is solely destroying your spine? The human spine wasn't designed to stay in a seated position for long periods. Evolution shaped our bodies for movement, walking, running, lifting, and stretching, not for being locked in a 90-degree angle on an office chair. When you sit for extended durations, especially with poor posture, your spine begins to suffer. Slouching, craning your neck forward, and hunching your shoulders place unnecessary stress on the spine's natural curvature. This daily habit gradually compresses the discs in your lower back, reduces blood flow, and weakens the surrounding muscles. Over time, this can lead to chronic lower back pain, herniated discs, or even sciatica. In some cases, the upper back and neck also become stiff and painful, leading to tension, headaches, and reduced mobility. But it doesn't stop there. Sitting not only affects the spine structurally, it impacts your overall spinal health on a systemic level. Immobility decreases circulation, meaning your spine receives less oxygen and nutrients, which are essential for repair and regeneration. The surrounding muscles become tight and imbalanced, further distorting your posture and increasing your risk of injury. What's more troubling is that this destructive cycle doesn't take long to begin. Research suggests that sitting for more than 6 to 8 hours a day can start to degrade your spinal health, even if you exercise regularly. That's because the negative effects of prolonged sitting are not fully offset by a single hour of physical activity. The damage accumulates slowly, making it harder to recognize until pain or stiffness becomes a daily issue. The good news: there are simple yet effective ways to combat this spine-destroying habit. Start by being more conscious of your posture. Sit with your feet flat on the floor, your back straight, and your shoulders relaxed. Use ergonomic chairs or lumbar supports if necessary. Take frequent breaks, stand up, stretch, walk around, or even do quick mobility exercises every 30 to 60 minutes. Incorporating core strengthening exercises into your routine can also protect your spine by supporting better alignment. Yoga and Pilates are particularly helpful in improving flexibility, balance, and posture. Ultimately, awareness is the first step. If you're sitting for most of the day, your spine may already be suffering the consequences. But by making small adjustments and building better habits, you can protect your spinal health and avoid years of discomfort. So ask yourself, is this daily habit destroying yours? Like, subscribe, follow for your free back pain relief ebook.